Hello everyone, I just wanted to give a quick run through of the prototype of what I've been working on lately. So this is the Nero ecosystem, which is basically a business in a box for tradespeople that are looking to start their own business, go self-employed. And this is just an overview of the whole idea of how we would do all of that for you. So save you time and money so you can crack on with just being on the tools and doing the work that you enjoy doing. So this is the idea. You get all of this in a like an online website for you. So business and setup, we will register your business and do all the support needed for that. We will help you out with the insurance and all of the compliance checklist that you need to go through. We will help you with pricing by the trade and the region that you're in, and help connect you with suppliers and customer contract templates, bookkeeping, setup guidance, whether it's Xero or any of the other accounting softwares that you need. Then we help you with your brand and online presence, so domain and registration and hosting. We help you with branding and setting up your website for you, your logo and your visual identity. Help you with business cards, stationery, whatever you need. We can help you with some explainer videos of what you do and what you specialize in, and obviously testimonials from any jobs that you've already done. Then we go on to the lead generation, which is the main part of this whole idea. Is we set you up with your Google business profile. We'll sign you up to all of the other Checkatrade, Bark, and the My Builder, all of those sort of things. But you don't have to worry about any of that. You won't even know that it's happening. You'll just be getting jobs, high quality leads coming straight into your calendar every day, every week. You won't even have to think about it. SEO optimization, we'll do paid ads for you. There'll be a referral system, so if you're an electrician and you know a builder or a carpenter in the area, you can refer each other and we can help you both out, and there'll be rewards for doing so. Then you've got your business operation tools, so your customer relationship management, contacts and your job history. All of your quoting and invoicing will all be in one place. Scheduling and calendars, obviously this will all be on your app on your phone as well, so it's not just like a computer tool. Payment integration, so people can pay for your jobs online. Storing all your files, and obviously your profit and job cost tracking too. Marketing and automation is one thing everyone hates doing, but we'll do all of this for you. Email marketing campaigns, your SMS reminders, and everything will be automated as much as it can be. Social media content, automated review requests, follow up with all the customers and the jobs you've already done, and then you'll have your dashboards and your analytics showing you all the data that you need every day, week. And then on top of all of that, we'll provide you with 24/7 support, onboarding tutorials just like this, training videos. You can store all of your resources in one library. This is all going to be in one place. So no need for different software, different websites, tracking different things all over the shop. The idea is everything's all in one go, in one system, all in your pocket, on your phone or on your laptop. Easy peasy. What do you guys think? If you could just leave me a like or a comment, send me an email. If this is a good idea, would this be able to help you, then let me know, because every little bit of feedback helps with me with proof of demand, which is what I need, and I can apply for funding and actually build this for you. So help me help you, and let's do it. Thanks for your time.